In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with anything. By the end, you'll have ClickUp connected to your email so you can send and receive messages right inside your tasks, which effectively ties ClickUp into almost any tool that can send email. This is quick to set up and immediately useful for tracking conversations, approvals, and client updates without leaving your workspace. Start by opening your browser and heading to the ClickUp website, then sign into your workspace. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. That opens a menu with options related to your account and workspace. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to a dedicated area where you can manage features and preferences. On the left-hand side, locate the Email Integration section. It may appear under ClickApps or Integrations depending on your layout, but you're looking specifically for email integration. Inside Email Integration, enable the Email ClickUp. Turning this on activates ClickUp's built-in email functionality across your workspace or the spaces you select. If you don't see the toggle, or it appears grayed out, you may need the right permissions from your workspace admin, or you might need to switch to the correct workspace at the top of the page. With the Email ClickUp enabled, you'll be prompted to sign into your email account. Choose your provider, such as Gmail, Outlook, or another service using IMAP and SMTP, then follow the on-screen steps to grant access. Approve the requested permissions so ClickUp can send messages and pull replies into your tasks. If you're on a company-managed account, you may need admin approval. If that happens, simply request access and continue once it's granted. After connecting, take a moment to confirm the default from address and signature so your outgoing emails look professional and consistent. It's also a good idea to send a quick test email from a task to make sure everything is working. If messages don't appear, refresh the task or check that you authorize the correct mailbox. You can disconnect or switch accounts anytime from the same settings area. That's it. You've connected email to ClickUp, which means you can compose messages directly from tasks, keep full conversation history alongside your work, and automatically organize replies where they belong. This simple setup brings external tools, clients, and partners into your workflows without adding more tabs or copy-paste. If this was helpful, give it a try in your own workspace and enjoy a cleaner, more integrated way to manage communication and execution in one place.